Okay, it cut me off on number 3, I think. But if you didn't fully get the last bit of the graph, x can be anything less than negative 5. It can't be negative 5, so we want an open circle on negative 5, and then shaded to the left, because that's where the numbers less than negative 5 are located. All right, 32 is greater than or equal to negative 4x. So again, write it down, pause the video, solve it, come back to the video, see how you did. X is being multiplied by negative 4, so to undo the multiplying by negative 4, we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. So on the right side, negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive 1, so those are gone. X is isolated. Because you divided both sides by a negative, you've got to flip the inequality sign. So we're actually going to flip it to less than or equal to 32 divided by negative 4 is negative 8. Now recognize that this means that x can be any numbers greater than or equal to negative 8, because the variable's on the right side here. This would be the same thing as x, as x is greater than or equal to negative 8. So when you graph it, you need to be careful here, because again, a lot of people learn that little trick about shading the direction that the sign's pointing. If you have a solution like this, that trick is going to fail you, because x can only be numbers greater than or equal to negative 8, and those numbers would actually be to the right of the number line. So it can be negative 8 and anything greater than that. So you want to think in terms of the number line, not the little riddles from 6th grade. All right, so that is number 4. Here is 5. X over negative 4 is less than negative 1. X is being divided by negative 4. To undo dividing by negative 4, we're going to multiply both sides by negative 4. This is really negative 4 over 1, so these cross cancel, which is why we want to do that, because that isolates x. Because we multiplied both sides by a negative, we've got to flip the inequality sign, so it's now greater than negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. So x can be any numbers greater than positive 4. So positive 4 on our number line, it can't be positive 4, so an open circle on 4, and anything greater than 4 would be located to the right. All right, so I think that's it. If you have any specific questions, let me know. I'll get a feel for kind of where we are before I decide whether we're going to move on Monday or not. We might need to stay here. But if I can help with anything in particular, y'all let me know. All right, have a good weekend.